What is going on YouTube? This is going to be box break number 2 of the women's division 2017 trading cards. You get 1 hit per box. Have not opened it yet, still sealed. So, pretty excited. My first box I got a Alexa Bliss gold matte relic number to 10, so that was pretty awesome. So let's go and open this up and let's see what we get. Alright, so we got the plastic off. Alright. So here's the pack. The hit's going to be that card right there. So it's a thick card. So I'm hoping it is not a medallion or a championship medallion, whatever you call them. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see. Alright. So we got Bliss. Let's see if we do this a different way. So right there is going to be the hit. So we'll save that for last. So cards. Got Asuka. So it's a really nice set. It's really hard to do this one. Let's see. Got a Charlotte, and a Bailey, Asuka, another Asuka, Boss, Bailey, Bliss, Nikki Bella, Bliss, Asuka, and Bailey and Carmella. It's a really nice base set to collect. Naomi, Becky Lynch, Stephanie McMahon, got a nice Carmella, Charlotte, the Boss, Bailey. Alright, so main card, let's see what our hit is. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one. Alright, so here we go. So it looks like it's going to be a matte relic. It's numbered 106 of 199. It is Lana. Not too bad. So Roadblock, end of the line, Lana, matte relic. So yeah, not too bad. I'd rather have matte relics than the championship belt medallions, or what do they call them. So yep, just another box break. Let me know what you guys think, and we will see you next vid. Peace.